You searched how to buy shares of Sonae SGPS SA. This quick guide explains the process. Sonae is a Portuguese conglomerate listed on Euronext as SON.LS, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the flow. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SON.LS to find the stock. Make sure you select the listing on Euronext to locate the correct asset. On the asset page, you can read a basic company description and view the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to trade, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the platform will queue or schedule execution per its rules. If you do not have enough funds, the broker will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. After the trade fails, your new position will appear in the portfolio view. For the example link used in this video, check the description below.